What's up, everybody? Today I just want to go over a little bit what we're doing with our food plots. Now's the time of the year, end of April, beginning of May, is when you really want to start establishing a good food source for your deer. And what we've started off with is a product from White Gold. They are a company out of Michigan. This is called Clover Relish, and what you do with this stuff, it is your first step. It's a 3-step process, and they make it super easy. This is the first year we've used this, and this is just clover. That's all it is. You want to plant this freezing and thawing. You know, when you get your frost in the morning, that's really good time to plant this stuff because it really gets it down in the soil. But it's easy instructions. If you guys are thinking about doing a food plot, you're just like, man, it's just too much work, it's too difficult, I can't do that. You can, especially with this stuff. It gives you, on the back of this, it gives you basically, it's a handbook on what to do with this stuff. So you don't need an 1/8 of an inch to a 1/4 inch is all this stuff's got to need to get down in the ground and really get rooted in. And it says it lasts up to 6 years. Like I said, this is our first run with this stuff. First year we've ever used this, so we're going to give it a try. But after we do this, this gets established in around the beginning of August, end of July is when we'll come in with our really hardy stuff that's going to last throughout the rest of the season into the cold months, and late season still have a good food source for these deer to eat. So this is a 5-pound bag. It'll do 1/2 acre is what this is, and that's about what we've got here, is what I've got worked. I didn't use a tractor, I didn't use anything crazy like that. That's why I say, if you think you can't do it, you can. I had a little disc that I pulled behind my 4-wheeler, and that was it. So this stuff planted a week ago. Come in, we dished the ground up, got it real good and loose, and sowed this stuff out. In a week, we're starting to get a little bit coming up already. This past few days, we've had that good frost, or like I said, it's freezing, thawing, getting that down into the ground, and that's what you want. I'll show you a little bit what we've got. So this is a week worth of stuff, not much, but like I said, it's a week. It's not really, you can see that right there, those little ones, but it's starting to come up. So, and this is our area. It goes from down in here, all this up in there, right through here. You can basically see where we've got it worked here. That's what we're doing this year. I'm going to take you through the process as we go this. I'm not just going to say, well, you do this and that's it and you're done. I'm going to take you through the process as we go. This is the beginning. When we get ready to plant our other stuff, take you through that process, walk you through it, because this is sort of new to me too. You know, I'm not a big food plotter myself. I know that I want to have a bigger deer herd and a food source that's going to last from the beginning of the season to the end. So I'll let you know how it goes for us and tell you guys what we think about it. I think this stuff's going to do good. I'm really excited about using this. Like I said, this is White Gold Clover Rush. It's step 1 in a 3-step process. Super easy. Just wanted to let you guys know what we're doing as far as getting prepared for deer season. It's really not that far off. So, hey guys, I just wanted to thank everybody for liking and subscribing our videos. Really appreciate it, and I'm enjoying putting out content for you guys. It's a whole lot of fun. And not only watch us on YouTube, but check us out on social media. We are on Twitter at TW_outdoors, and then on Instagram at Travis_Warren_outdoors on Instagram as well. We try to post every day, so check us out, guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you for everything y'all are doing.